This is Wiley from Learn-to-Barbecue. Today we're turning up the heat on our Pit Boss Sportsman vertical smoker and putting its capabilities to the test. Our mission? To smoke a whopping 8 juicy chicken thighs to perfection. With the right techniques and a little patience, we'll transform these humble chicken thighs into smoky, flavorful masterpieces. Now let's prepare our chicken thighs for the smoker. We'll start by arranging them on a tray, ensuring the skin is flat and covers the entire top of each thigh. This will help the skin crisp up beautifully as the thighs smoke. Now let's ensure our chicken thighs cook to perfection. We'll start by selecting the thickest thigh and carefully inserting the Thermoworks RFX meat probe. It's important to place the probe in the thickest part of the thigh, but make sure to avoid touching the bone. This will give us the most accurate reading of the internal temperature. With our chicken thighs perfectly positioned on the tray, it's time to infuse them with flavor. We'll start by generously seasoning them with 2 dry rubs. The first one is Kinder's The Blend. It contains salt, pepper, and garlic, the standard seasoning I use on about everything. The second is Heath Riles' Garlic Jalapeno Rub. With our seasoned chicken thighs ready to go, we'll carefully place them on the smoker racks. Make sure they're spaced out evenly to allow for proper airflow and even cooking. Once the probe is securely in place, we can close the smoker door and let the magic begin. The RFX probe will continuously monitor the internal temperature of the chicken thighs, allowing us to track their progress and ensure they're cooked to our desired level of doneness. This chart illustrates the temperature of the chicken thighs as they cooked in the smoker. The x-axis represents time in minutes, while the y-axis shows the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the temperature started at 55 degrees Fahrenheit and gradually rose over time. The line represents the temperature fluctuations throughout the cooking process. The overall shape of the line demonstrates the consistent temperature control provided by the smoker. The slight variations in temperature are to be expected, as factors like airflow and the placement of the chicken thighs can influence the cooking process. However, the overall trend shows a steady increase towards the target temperature. This total cook took 1 hour and 45 minutes, including 15 minutes for the smoker to come up to temperature and 1 hour and 30 minutes of cooking time. The chicken thighs cooked to absolute perfection. The flesh was incredibly juicy and tender, with a beautiful smoke ring that testified to the long, slow cooking process. The dry rub we applied before smoking added a burst of flavor, while the skin was incredibly crispy and satisfying. It was a culinary masterpiece, and a testament to the power of a well-seasoned chicken thigh and a skillfully operated smoker. The Pit Boss vertical smoker is a game changer for any barbecue enthusiast. Its vertical design allows for optimal heat circulation, ensuring even cooking and a consistent smoke flavor. With multiple racks and adjustable temperatures, you can smoke a variety of meats and vegetables simultaneously. Plus, the large hopper means you can enjoy hours of smoking without refilling. Experience the art of low and slow cooking with the Pit Boss vertical smoker. The Thermoworks RFX wireless meat probe stands out as the premier choice in the market. Its exceptional range, coupled with the ability to expand up to 50+ probes on a single gateway, provides unparalleled versatility. This feature allows for precise monitoring of multiple meats across various grills, ensuring each cut is cooked to perfection, regardless of desired doneness. Whether you're smoking a brisket, grilling steaks, or roasting a chicken, the RFX's advanced capabilities guarantee exceptional results. To learn more about the Thermoworks RFX wireless meat probe or to place an order, please use the link in the description below. For additional reviews and cooking demonstrations featuring the RFX, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to share valuable tips and insights to help you elevate your grilling and smoking game. Till next time.